Welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, located at 627 Boston Post Road. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. This boat's powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado engine, one of our most dependable engines that we have made here in the United States. The boat itself is a layout that presents relaxation. The seating in this boat allows for up to 15 people to be aboard comfortably. You're able to engage in conversation facing each other. You're able to sit on the aft deck with its faux teak, which is easy to maintain. Yet the boat itself also offers separate stereo system speaker outputs, USB ports. There is a ladder here that pops out of the gunnel, makes things easy to get on and off the boat at a dock. Easily to put in fuel, also 20 gallons of fresh water if you want to take a shower when you get out of the water. There's a shower right on the transom. The boat itself has plenty of storage. All this seating area is storage underneath. It's rather rare to find so much storage on a 27-foot boat. The boat also offers you to be able to have a dinette table aft here in this main area, or behind me on the bow is a separate seating area. That table can also be put in place. While underway, the seats articulate aft. The helm area presents a Simrad navigation system. This presents you with the navigation through a GPS, as well as engine monitoring. For instance, your battery, engine temperature. The same things you'd find in your car, really. And what is rather unique about the Sea Ray 270 Sundeck is the layout of the helm mimics that of a typical passenger vehicle. So it's very easy for you to figure out what you're doing and how to go about operating the vessel. Behind me on the port side is a large head. This has a sink in it. It's a vacuum flush system. It's a very clean, easy to use head, and it also serves as a great changing area when you're out on the water and perhaps want to go in for dinner or shore. The boat is very solid, split windshield design, strong. You can lean against it. It's not shaky at all. It's very well through bolted, back plated, well grounded. A lot of shade area is offered by an optional bimini top. And again, up forward, you can also have a lounge area with separate stereo and readout. The boat itself is offered by MarineMax of Westbrook, 627 Boston Post Road, 860-399-5581. Thanks very much for watching. We hope to see you out on the water.